just missed it running. This is I think this is an 84. Yeah, this is an 85. January of 85. Well, it just shut off. Yeah, this is a Trane Trane Executive high efficiency heat pump. And I think this is about a 1.5 or 2 ton. Not really sure. There's the model number right there. Obviously it can't be a 6 ton. I saw 72 in the model number. Or you know what? That might be a... Never mind. Okay, there's the reversing valve. I thought this was a straight cool. I couldn't find the reversing valve. But yeah, it just shut off. And I think there's 2 more units over here. There's a Janitrol and a Goodman. Basically 2 Goodmans. Yeah, these aren't running right now. Goodman, that's a heat pump. As you can see, it was just running, and here's the Janitrol. So yeah, so all 3 of these are heat pumps. Yeah, this looks fairly well. This is from 2009. That's a 3-ton R14A refrigerant, Copeland scroll compressor. That's a Janitrol. It's got the Bristol reciprocating compressor. It actually says Bristol on it. Don't know how you can see it. Well, you might have already. And this is from 2000. 2-ton. It says central cooling air conditioner right there. But yeah, but it's a heat pump. And there's a daddy long lead right there. Yeah, there's a reversing valve right down there. And it just crawled inside the heat pump. Anyway, there's an ICP right over there. Or actually, I think that might be a carrier or a pane. I actually don't know. I think that might be a pane. I can't tell. It's not running. Can't get too close to it. It's someone's private property. Man, that house looks so beat up. Yeah. But yeah, that's a shame. The train shut off. That really is a shame. And there's another daddy long one right there. Anyway, it actually does look very beat up, as you can see. So you know what? If I came back here one day and if this unit was replaced, I wouldn't be surprised. It's got the spine thin coils. I'm pretty sure this was running in cool mode. Yeah, cool mode. The compressor's sweaty. Yeah, there's the Janitrol, the Goodman. Well, yeah, this is yeah, as said. Once again, this is from January of '85. And this is really rusty. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.